Today, I'm going to create this classic animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. First, take a background. I'm taking a white background. Set this image as the background. Add an apple picture. Add a text. Write the apple benefits. Use Montserrat font for the texts. Add details information. Duplicate the page. Make the apple size smaller. Go to the first page and select all the text by pressing and holding the Shift key to select multiple layers. Make these smaller. Change the position under the apple. Again, duplicate the page and drag it to the last page. Click here and add the match and move transition. Apply between all pages. Page duration will be 2.5 seconds and apply between all pages. Here is the final result. Subscribe to my channel for this type of tutorial. Thank you.